about the different subscription, that how the subscriptions change according to the question, so how you can solve it. So I am picking up the in both book question number 25. So this is the question. So I will just read the subscription. The subscription in 1995 is 250, 1996 is 1000, 1997 is 2200, and the total amount is 1450. And there is an adjustment given that the club has 50 members, each paying annual subscription of 25. Subscription outstanding on 31 December 1995 is 250. Okay, so first we will do the subscription. Okay, so it is given the question that there are 50 members. Okay, and each paying is what, 25. So what is the total amount? Is total amount subscription we have to receive is 1250. But in this question there is, I will do it as a working note, 1995, 1996, 1997. Okay, so this is the current year 1996, because in question there is given 31st December 1996 we have to prepare the account. So this is the current year, this is previous year, and this is upcoming year or advance year. So it is said that in 1995 we have received what, 250 subscription. In current year we have received 1000, and in from advance we have received 200, and the total we have received is 1450. So let's understand what is this three. Suppose this is class 11th, this is class 12th, and this is BCom future year. You are current in class 12th, so you have given the fees of what, 250. Suppose this is Ram has given 250 fees in 1996. So it means that Ram has not given the fees in 1995. So it is the outstanding in 1995, but in 1996 he has paid 250. And suppose the advance fees, some BCom you have, means the 12th you have already paid of BCom fees in advance, so which is 200. So you have not given your 11th class fees in 11th class, but you have paid in 12th class, and you have given the advance of what, 200 of what, BCom fees. So in current year we have received 1000 fees, but in question it is given that in current year you have received what, 1250. So what is the outstanding amount? Outstanding amount is 250 outstanding at end, that you have received only amount 1000, but what you have to receive, 1250. So 2000 is advance at end. And in 1995 there is what, outstanding at beginning. So outstanding at beginning, and you have also the advance at what, advance at end of what, 200 rupees. So in subscription, while calculating, we have to write that what is the total subscription we received is 1250, and outstanding at beginning is what, 250. So outstanding at beginning is 250, outstanding at end is what, 250, and advance at end is what? 200. And advance at beginning is nil, because we had not received it any advance. So what we will do? What we will do mean advance outstanding at beginning. What we do? We subtract it, and at end we add it. Likewise, advance we minus, and at the beginning we plus. So what is the amount? Is total 250. We have received the subscription. This is total subscription received. Okay, write it in here. Or there is also alternative method which you have to write only the current year. So the current year, what is the formula? That subscription received in current year and outstanding of current year, or outstanding at end, or advance at beginning. We have to add both. So advance is beginning is nil, outstanding at end means outstanding at end means we only take the current year subscription. So current year outstanding is 250, and the current year subscription is 1000. You have given right now in question that the current year is 1000. So there are two formula you can solve is like this also. Okay, so you have understand this. So now I'm telling you another question, that is question number 22, and this is also another type of subscription calculation. So subscription is given here the value, and there is the adjustment is given that a club has 250 member and each has to pay 10 each. Okay, so 2500 total subscription, and subscription amounting 50 not received for the year what? 1997. Okay, so let's take a working note. We have the year of what? 1997, that is previous year. Current year is our 1998, and 1999 is our future year. So as you can see that some that in 1997 we have received of what? In 2000, in 1998 we have received 100 of what? 1997 amount, and for current year we have received 2000, and for advance someone has paid 200 in advance. So total is 2300. Okay, and here it is said that the club has 250 member and each paying 10, that is 2500 subscription for what? Current year. But we have received in current year in 2000 only. So what? Outstanding is 500 for current year. Okay, this is outstanding at end, and this is beginning. This is the beginning part, this is the end part. Okay, and there is another thing, that subscription amounting 50 not received in year 1997. So but in 1997 there is the outstanding of what? 100, but we have received in 1998. So what is means? Suppose there is x and y, there is two children of 11th class, and they did not pay the fees of what? One has not paid 50 and one has not paid 100. But in this 1997 100 is not paid, y has not paid rupees 100, but he has paid in what? In 1998. But x did not pay his 50 amount in 1997, but he also has not paid in this year. So it is written that not received in 1997. So what we will do, there is no question given, there is no question given that this amount is paid in this year. So what, this is also the outstanding. He has not paid in 1997 and he is not paid in 1998. So the total amount, this is previous year, the total amount is 550, and at the beginning, outstanding at beginning is 150, and in 1999 someone has paid in 1998 of what, of future, someone has paid the future fees of 1999 of advance. So while calculating, we can take the formula, subscription received is what, 2300, and plus, oh, sorry, minus, first we will take the beginning for the sequence, outstanding at beginning, outstanding at end. Okay, advance at beginning, what we do, advance at beginning, minus or plus, plus, and then advance at end. So at the beginning we have 150, at end we have 550, and beginning advance, no advance is given, but in here 200 is received. Okay, so what will the calculation, so it is 2500 subscription received. And while doing another formula, I have told you subscription of what, current year, plus outstanding of current year, which means outstanding at end, and advance at beginning, we have to add. So current year subscription is what, 2000, and subscription 2000, this is given, and outstanding at end, not end, that is current year. So what is the outstanding of current year, we have calculated 500, out of which 50 is for previous year, so we have to write that current year amount 500, and advance at beginning, you can write that advance at end of what, current year, this is also the current year. So advance, there is no advance at beginning. Okay, so it is 0, so it is 2500. In both method you can solve. So this is the subscription type solution, because this in which the children get confused. So thanks for listening, I hope you understand. If there is any query, just message me.